Hello besties, welcome to this week's vlog. It is Sunday today and I just came back from the gym. It has been a hot minute since I worked out, let alone been in a gym. Last time I worked out was like in March. It was really bad. This past month I've just had such a bad mental health month. You know what? I've been wanting to go back to the gym for a while now, but I just haven't had that motivation. August is a new month, new goals, new mindset. It's always difficult to start something on a Monday because it's always diet starts on Monday, this starts on Monday, but I'm not doing it to lose weight. I'm just doing it to feel good again and my mental health and my mental sanity, to get the serotonin pumping. I got my ass up this morning and I did the very daunting task of going into the gym for the first time. I went through the wrong entrance at first because it was that type of day. And then they were but I managed to have a good workout, I would think. I'm just gonna do what I can. I'm gonna try and go every day just to get myself into some sort of routine. Just listen to my body, listen to what I can do, and I'm not gonna put too much pressure on myself, especially because I haven't worked out since March. So yeah, I'm excited, and I dread exercise. I don't enjoy exercise. I'm not good at it. I was never good at sport. It's not my thing, and the irony is Devin's a professional athlete. And I was you know what? I'm not gonna put too much pressure on myself. I want to get into a routine and find things that I love doing, because for one, I'm not a runner. I don't run, so I'm not going to run on the treadmill. I did 12-3-30 and I quite enjoyed that, so I'm going to start doing that, and then I'm going to start, and then just core and booty workouts, weights and stuff. I don't know anything about the fucking gym. I don't know anything about fitness. I'm just going to do what feels right, workouts, easy workouts I find on Pinterest. It'll be less daunting now. I feel you just got to start. So yeah, I'll chat to you guys later. It's wet today. Hello everybody, I am on my way to the gym again. Look at me, 2 days in a row. Who would have thought? I didn't film anything yesterday because I literally didn't do anything exciting, but I'm on my way to the gym now. But I'm going to Sea Point later to go walk on the promenade with Callista. You guys remember her from the first vlog. I'm gonna do a cute little promenade walk, get those steps in, so I might as well be a fitness influencer at this point. I'm kidding. About the fitness and the influencer. I'm super keen. I was feeling really good after yesterday. My legs are a bit sore because I did bum booty workout, leg day type vibe. Today I'm trying to do more core and I don't know, cardio. Just going with the flow, general health benefits, exercise. I'm gonna be on my way now. I will chat to you later. Hey besties, I'm back from the gym. 12-3-30 kicks your ass. That shit is hard. And then I decided to do some core. Your gal's core is non-existent. I quite enjoy spending a lot of time in the gym. Well, past 2 days that I've been there. I like to take my time, do things properly. To start the day on a good note. It is 12 o'clock now, but today's order, I need to wash my hair, straighten my hair, sort this hair situation out. And then I'm gonna go to Callista and we're gonna go walk on the promenade. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. I made lunch. I didn't feel like filming it because it's a lot of effort to film what you eat. But I just had a wrap, gluten-free wrap with smashed chickpeas and avo and lettuce and lettuce stuff. And now I made myself iced coffee because I'm a basic bitch. It's just espresso and soy milk and ice, because none of that sweetener stuff is it's not real coffee, people, please. 50% sweetener, creamer, whatever the fuck Americans have, 30% vanilla syrup, 2% coffee, and 40% almond milk. I don't know if those you know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna go shower and wash my hair because it is filthy. Fat mood. I don't know if that'll be copyrighted. Bunny! You're so cute. You're so cute, my little bonbon. Yes, you're so cute. Look at you sitting on the table getting it started. Yes, you're so cute. Oh, yes. Sunbathing for Bunny. I just got to Callista's house to fetch her. We are on our way. Go to Sea Point and just walk the promenade and then just catch up and get coffee and stuff, so I'm quite keen. I had a mental breakdown before because my sister was just demanding. Keen to just work off my frustrations and just have a nice evening. The weather's really nice today, so yeah, I'm keen. That's beautiful. I'm back with Callista, guys.
Hello.
We are walking on the promenade. She looks so nice, and I rocked up in the gym leggings I wore this morning, and
it looks gorgeous.
My hair,
beautiful.
Effortlessly beautiful is good.
I love
But yeah, we're gonna take a cute little walk at the promenade and get a coffee.
I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe. It's not.
It does feel like we're gonna fall over. I can't. This. Hello, my chickens. Well, I don't know if you ever watched like Shiny Grimmin. Like she always used to say that. I don't know if she still does. I am on my way back from the gym. It wasn't one of my best workouts, but like I did a lot of cardio and a bit of core and stuff. But like, you know, it was just one of those days when you're like, I'm not really feeling it today. And I was quite hungry, so I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna go home. So today, it's quite warm, quite nice. I'm doing this, like it's giving me summer vibes. Love that for us. I'm gonna go visit my mummy. I haven't seen my mum in like over a month because I've had COVID and like auntie and uncle had COVID and like we're just like a lot of COVID. And then like this past week I was working and like also I was exposed to a lot of people. I mean, I'm just gonna shower and then go see my mummy. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my mummy has cancer and that is why we are not staying at home, because obviously like with my sisters and like me, like it's a lot of us. Well, there's 3 of us. It's like just a lot for her, and I feel like she just needs like as much peace and quiet and like she can get. And my sisters and I are very chaotic and we have a lot of like energy and they're constantly in and out, and it's just like it's just a lot less stressful for her to just have a peaceful household. So when we went away at the beginning of the year, we went away with my dad on holiday, Sun City. After that, like obviously we had been on like in planes and stuff, and my mum was in hospital over like the whole December period. We kind of just like moved into my auntie's house just like immediately, just to kind of, it was very chaotic. So yeah, so now I just go and visit her. It lives like 5 minutes away, close by, so that's nice. But now I'm gonna go shower, and she said that I must come visit because I asked her like when she would be comfortable for me to come. She's had her first jab of vaccine. So yeah, I'm so excited. I haven't seen her in so long, and I haven't seen Gracie, my doggy. She's so cute. Hello, Gracie. Hello, Gracie. Hello, Gracie. I'm coming. Hi, guys. I'm back in my mama's kitchen. It's so nice. I missed this kitchen. I'm just here visiting. She's like upstairs. I miss this kitchen so much. I'm gonna get a snack. It's always the best food in my mom's house. Look what I found. Literally, I'm gonna eat this. It's got frozen. Oh, that looks so good. That's so good.
Mom.
I think I'm gonna make an iced coffee. I don't know if you can see me. So I just put some espresso in a jar. I don't think there's any ice. There's ice here, but it's like... ice. Oat milk.
So you can say we haven't gone. There's bread in. Oh, you saw the bread.
Yeah, I was gonna defrost it.
Put them in the microwave or take a chunk of cheese because you don't like it.
Yeah. Me and cheese, we have a mixed relationship. So good. I'm just gonna defrost one of these. I like to call myself an intuitive eater because I don't eat too unhealthily, but I don't restrict myself either. So if I want to eat a freaking pretzel, I'm gonna eat a freaking pretzel. The setup is so cute. I want to take a picture for the thumbnail. Oh wait, you wanna be in my vlog?
Oh shit.
Hi guys, I'm back. So, my mom made, she didn't want to be in the vlog lame. My mom made ravioli the other day and she made spinach and ricotta and butternut. She's only telling me this now. So, I guess he's gonna make some ravioli. I wasn't sure which one to have, so I'm gonna have both because I'm a JK, gonna work extra hard at the gym tomorrow. Not really, I'll do, this pot is so nice. Yeah, so I'm super keen to do that. I'm gonna do that now and we're gonna have a cooking segment. Okay, so we've brought some water to a boil now. Well, it's not boiling yet, but it's gonna be boiling soon. And I'm just gonna add some salt. A little salt, but you know how it is. Okay, as we can see, our water is now rapidly boiling. So we are going to put some of our ravioli into the pot. Okay, so this is the spinach and ricotta one. And we have the butternut. So we have our ravioli, our butter melting on the side. I'm so keen. And then we have ravioli in a burnt butter sauce. It probably tastes better than it looks because I didn't really do it very neatly and I didn't place it up nicely, but it looks so good. Okay, so we have our ravioli. I just tasted the butternut one, I'm not gonna lie, it was really good. So let me do the spinach and ricotta then. There you go. That's so good. I think I prefer the butternut because it's sweeter, but this one's so nice as well.